Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi. This is a Mindful Monday practice with a little more movement. Here's Winston, he's come to say hi. Mindful Monday, a little more movement, still a great practice for beginners or anyone. We're going to be standing the whole time. So, come on, stand up. You don't need a yoga mat. If you have a yoga mat, you can stand on it. Otherwise, just stand up. Set your feet. They can be together or apart. I like hips width distance apart. An intentional foundation with your feet. You can lift your toes and then place them back down again. Let your arms and hands come alongside you. You can spin your palms forward. Set your gaze. Lower your gaze or close your eyes. And together, let's take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take a big inhale and a big exhale. Breathing here, feel your breath and let there be a steady, comfortable rhythm to your breath. This is Tadasana, standing mountain pose. So really feel this, that your feet are grounded on the earth, and from the ground, you can lift up. Muscles in your legs engage. Low belly draws in and up to support your low back. Let your chest lift, let your shoulders soften, extend down through your arms and your hands. Let the crown of your head reach up to the sky. And as you feel yourself stand here and breathe here, you might even feel just a little bit taller. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Now as you inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, draw your hands through your heart center. Inhale, sweep up and reach up. You can look up. Exhale, hands draw through center, linking movement with breath. Inhale, sweep up and reach up. Exhale, hands come through center. Once more, inhale, sweep up. Now this time as you exhale, twist to your right. Take your left arm forward, reach your right arm back. Your gaze can stay forward or it can come to the right. And you can press out through the palms of your hands. This might allow you to bring a little more connection, a little more energy to your arms. Still feel your feet flat on the ground. Legs are active, core engaged. Take a deep breath in here. And a breath out. Now inhale, come back to center, hands reach straight up. And as you exhale, twist over to your left. Extend your right arm forward and your left arm back. Don't worry about how much you can twist or how long your arms are. Don't worry about anything while you're here. Instead, simply feel that you are here. You are breathing intentionally, choosing to be here, moving your body intentionally. Let your shoulders soften a bit. Press out through the palms of your hands. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Now inhale, come on back to center. Here, pause. Press into your left foot. Lift your right knee up to about hip height. And if you feel a little bit wobbly, that's okay. That's part of the practice. As you feel maybe a little unsteady, maybe even come out of it, then you have the opportunity to come back into it, to reset. You can always work with your right foot resting on the ground as well. Use your core. Low belly draws in and up to help you lift that right knee. Take a big breath in here. Again, twist over to your right. Keep that right knee lifted. Here you can let the left hand come to the right knee, the outside the right knee, and it assists you in your twist. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Inhale, keep that knee lifted. Come on back to center. Whoa, and it's okay if you fall out of it. Step your right foot back behind you. Come on into your warrior one. 2 feet back on the ground again. Left foot is flat and straight. Left knee tracks over left ankle. Crown of the head reaches up. Your hands reach up. Take a big inhale. Open out to your warrior two. Adjusting your feet. I usually adjust my feet a lot when I move from warrior one to warrior two. I like to add space between my feet. Take a longer stance, and you can do that too. You can take your left foot a lot more forward, maybe just a little more forward. Finding the balance of space, but also stability. Bend your front knee so it tracks over your front ankle. Lengthen through your back leg, lengthen through your arms. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Set your gaze. You can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Take a big inhale. And a big exhale. Now bring your hands to your heart and simply step your right foot back up to meet your left and reset your standing mountain. You can take a look at your feet, but most important, feel your feet. 2 feet flat on the ground. Let your hands again come alongside you. Feel for lifting from the ground up. Be in your body. Stand tall here. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Now inhale, reach your arms up. Shift the weight of your body into your right foot. Lift your left knee up about hip height. And again, you can work with your left foot down. Take your time. It might be that you wobble and you fall out of it. Don't worry about that. Again, don't worry about anything. You're here. You are doing this. We're practicing. We're always practicing. Take a big breath in. As you exhale, twist to your left. You can let your right hand come to the left knee. It assists you in the twist. Right leg is long and strong. Stand up tall. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Now as you inhale, nice and easy, come back to center. Hands reach up. Left foot steps back behind you. Warrior one. Right foot is flat and straight. Right knee tracks over right ankle. Your left toes point a little bit forward. Long and strong through your back leg. Really take a moment here to feel both feet on your mat. Notice if you hang out with your toes. Soften your toes. Notice if you start to hold your breath, especially if you feel like you're going to lose your balance. Take a big breath in and a long breath out. And there's balance, even with 2 feet on your mat. Take a big inhale. Now, warrior two. Open out. Hips start to turn to face the side of the room. Your shoulders stack over your hips, so you're opening to the side. And you can open up and take a longer stance. Again, right foot this time, moving forward. Creep it a little bit forward. Hands extend out from your center at shoulder height. As you lift your hands, let your shoulders soften. Back toes towards the side edge of your mat or a little bit forward. Feel this front knee track over your front ankle. You can always back off and then come back into it. So you don't have to lose your balance in that way. You don't have to put so much effort into what you're doing that you find yourself struggling. Feel if you can enjoy this, even if it feels a little challenging. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take a big inhale and a big exhale. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Bring your hands back to your heart center. Step your left foot up to meet your right. Come back to your Tadasana mountain pose. Let your hands come alongside you. Let the crown of your head reach up. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Now shift the weight of your body into your left foot. Come into your tree pose. Sole of the right foot somewhere on the inside of your left leg. And you can start low with your toes on the ground and your foot against your ankle. You might bring the foot a little higher to the calf. You can even catch your right foot and bring it to your inner thigh if you like. And you can play around with all of this. I invite you to find a place where you feel steady. So that might be with the foot really low. But then once you feel steady, work with your gaze at one point. That will help you balance. Challenge yourself a little bit. Maybe slide the foot a little higher. Now if you want more support, you can stand near a wall and put your left hand up against the wall. Here, take your arms up. Right, reach up and lift up. Lift from the ground up. Feel your standing leg engage. Low belly draws in and up, heart up, crown of the head up, hands are high. Take a big inhale. Now as you exhale, that right foot comes down. Bring your hands through your heart and alongside you back to Tadasana. Take a big breath in and a long breath out. Shift the weight of your body into your right foot, sole of your left foot somewhere on the inside of your right leg. And setting your gaze to one unmoving point helps a lot with physical balance. Find a place for your left foot that works for you. You can place it higher, and you might notice that you balance more easily on one side than the other. Notice if you hold your breath and you start to hold on with your toes. Again, let it be part of the practice to fall out with some ease, with some grace, right? That's the real challenge. And then come back into it without getting frustrated. As you inhale, reach your hands high. Get really tall here. Lift from the ground up. Shoulders can stay soft. If you want to shift your gaze and lift it a little higher, you can. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take another big inhale. Exhale, both feet come down, hands through your heart and alongside you back to your standing mountain. Together, let's take a big breath in and a long breath out. Thank you. Thanks for joining me for this Mindful Monday with a little more movement. Great practice for beginners or anyone. If you enjoyed it, like the video and share it with your friends. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. I'll see you soon.